Hello, kids. Let's learn digraph. The letter A and I makes a sound.
A. A.
Pain. Can you say it again?
Pain.
Good job, kids.
A.
Rain. Can you say it again?
Rain.
Good job, kids.
A.
Train. Can you say it again?
Train.
Good job, kids.
G. A.
Grain. Can you say it again?
Grain.
Good job, kids.
B. A.
Brain.
Brain.
Good job, kids.
B. A.
Bait. Can you say it again?
Bait.
Good job, kids.
S. A.
Sail. Can you say it again?
Sail.
Good job, kids.
A.
Tail. Can you say it again?
Tail.
Good job, kids.
S. A.
Snail. Can you say it again?
Snail.
Good job, kids.
A.
Paint. Can you say it again?
Paint.